Hello and welcome to Codition. Today we are going to see how we can send email using Python. So I have built a script which can be modified to send emails in bulk as well. So let us see the basic script, how we can use the basic script to send emails via Python SMTP server. So first of all, these are the software requirements. We should have a Gmail account, and then we should have a Python installed. You can use this link, and then there should be a Visual Studio Code. So this is for a layman or or a person who has never used it before. So first of all, just go and install these two software and then create a Gmail account from which you will be sending the emails. Once you have done that, then the next step is to change these details. So if I take you to the Python script here, so you have to change these details. So this is the attachment path. If you are not using the attachment, then you can just ignore this one. And then if you are not using an attachment, then you also need to hide this code 123, and so this code is also not required. So if you see here, it is written attachment code, comment out code below to exclude, and this one. So this part is not required, but I will also remove this one because we don't need attachment. Then you have to modify a few things here. Send from DLA, so you can amend this, then send to this email, and then the subject line, and then the body of the email, then the username, the account which we created, those username and password should come over here. So let me just jump to the PPT. So once you have amended these details, then these are the details for SMTP server, which is common for Gmail account. So if you are using a different SMTP server, then you have to use other SMTP server details here. Now let us move to this one. Once you have created an account, then you have to enable less secure app as well in Gmail. So you can follow this link and then enable less secure app. If you don't enable this feature, then you won't be able to send email using SMTP. After that, you have to run the code in Visual Studio Code. So I will just change my details as per my requirement, and I will hide this, and then I will run it. And now I have to click on run on my right, and look at the status bar here. Now message sent. So let me just go and check my email if it is received or not. So if I come to my Outlook and come to inbox, and there is one item in other, this is the body, and this email has been sent. So that's how you can send email. You can modify this script or add loop to send emails in bulk. Thank you for watching. For similar kind of videos, you can subscribe to my channel. Take care and bye bye.